Let's continue surface shader and Venus. It's a simple shader that it creates a special planet in a galaxy. With this, I think no, it does not have any animation. It's a special rounding clouds with this simple color that you can change the color gradient between black and white. Of course, it's a black and white code, and you can use it to in displacement, alpha, transparency. With the frequency, you can change the frequency of the cloud in any direction of the X, Y, and Z. If you put it in a 3D, you can see the difference between 3Ds and 2Ds here. Rotation, you can change this rotational angle. And that's it. You can assign any color that you want.